Hello mga kaibigan. Ayan, maagang papasok ang mga estudyante. Sarap pa matulog. Ang ating estudyante. Ayan. You're gonna brush more here in the bottom. In the bottom, Goy. Goy, I put your food in the bottom here, okay? Nasa ilalim yung food mo. Tubig sa kabila, okay? So, everything, you put it back in the bag. Go in the bathroom. That's where you brush your teeth. Go. This is CJ's. Handa mga kaibigan ang kanilang dadalhin. Dadalhin sa school. Ayan, kumain na sila. Yan yung ulam. Ayan. Tapos na silang kumain. Okay, CJ. Finish your toothbrush. Ikaw. Finish. Finish your toothbrush, please. Ha? Ito mga chikiting natin mga kaibigan, makulit. Finish your toothbrush. Okay, here's your bag. Ayan mga kaibigan. Okay, let's go. CJ, come here. Tapos yung pag-toothbrush nyo. Ano nung oras? Goy, bilis Goy, kay almost time. Kaning usang batuta. Sige, pagpanukdok din. Rinse. Do your back, the back side too. Hulog dito. Okay na siya. Don. Ayaw na ilagti. Dili na siya pareha. In the bottom, guys, siguraduhan. Siguraduhan na,
Yeah, I go to the pool. Yay, pool. I don't read the pool.
Pamusog. Nga naman kay salamin. So, ano mo?
I need it so I don't know if my teeth clean.
Kiki.
Clean na? Clean na, Goy? Okay, ta.
Am I clean? Is it clean?
Rinse na.
Okay.
Ikaw, CJ, pag-rinse na diya. Pag-rinse na.
Uy. I need to rinse. Let's go down, Mommy.
Careful, ha? Ay, estudyante mga kaibigan. Si good morning. CJ, magandang umaga. Miss Manoy. Ay, ka na. Basa na ka dong. Ay. Si magandang umaga.
Look more.
Basa na.
Look more.
Say good morning.
Look more shirt.
Say good morning.
Come on, mommy.
Shirt.
Your shirt, yep.
Let's go now.
No. No changing shirt. That's all. Okay, let's go. Pasok na sila mga kaibigan. Ang ating estudyante. Alay, guys, magandang umaga.
Handang mawaga.
Sige, magandang umaga kaibigan.
Handang
Sige, pinapasok na ako.
pasak ko ako.
Ikaw. Si magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Let's see, say good magandang umaga. Say magandang umaga.
Alata.
Ayaw, goy. Say magandang umaga.
Ha, gasta. Oh, mustache. No, there's no mustache in there. There's no mustache, people. Don't say that.
Okay, let's go. Ikaw.
No mustache.
Puyo, doon. Puyo ba? Isang magandang umaga.
Hi, Megan. Nice to see you so much. Oh, then.
You're so close. Oh my gosh, you're so close. What happened?
It happened.
You're so close. John, yung... Ayaw paduli mong nawang. Hala. Ayaw paduli mong nawang ba? Ayaw paduli mong nawang. Okay, ta, let's go. Let's go na. Is that your bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Because that's black up there.
You need to have, sunscreen. Come on, forgot.
Wow.
Okay, CJ.
I do need sunscreen. Every time I need sunscreen. Let's bring in sunscreen. Maybe Riley forgot to put sunscreen.
Don't forget to put your sunscreen on.
But don't put it on here. It's a shot.
Excuse me. Go clean up, please.
But I have to leave.
CJ will clean up. Pick up his toys.
Not me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because I need to go. Get out! Listen.
Give me your feet.
Don't put it here.
Leg. Fingers.
Mom!
Yes, thank you, CJ. Good job.
This.
I can
Hi! Listen to you.
madaot na. Excuse me, get up. This is not a song. Stop ba? Ikaw.
That's not a song. Yes, a toy. This is
This is not a toy, CJ.
what? A toy?
Alright.
Let's go now.
Ang mga makulit. Ang mga makulit.
I'm going.
Don't forget your sleeper. I don't think you need sleeper, Goy. It's not on the, no. You don't need sleeper.
Okay, can you hold this? I can't. Can you hold it? Can you hold this?
Come on.
Hold this? It's heavy.
I gotta bring CJ's bag. Okay, let's go. Layas na kami.
Today, it's my turn.
CJ's turn.
He did it yesterday.
CJ's turn.
I think he did it yesterday.
Okay, CJ.
Hey.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Ay. CJ, next time you get the chair, okay? Cannot carry you, Don.
Too heavy. Can I bring my this?
Yes, wear shoes.
And
CJ, wear this one, CJ. Wear your excavator. Wow, look at this big excavator. Oh,
where's this?
dump truck.
This.
Ayaw yung suotin yung sapatos niya. Bago pa naman. Ayaw yung suotin, mga kaibigan. Lagi na lang yung isa. Butas na yan. Nang butin mo doon. No more ano doon. No more. Butas na.
It's my first day.
Yes, it's your day. CJ, put your sapatos na. Bilis. Okay. Let's go, Goy. Let's go. No more time to play, Goy. Sige na kayo, magtanim pa ako mamaya, mga kaibigan. You gotta put your bag on your side because I'm just gonna drop you. Okay?
I don't know which school. Which classroom.
They have people in there.
Which classroom I have to know.
There's people in there, honey.
To help me?
Yes.
Oh. But how do I know where's my first time?
CJ!
It's my first time and I don't know how to go to
CJ!
school. It's like
No time to waste. Come on.
CJ, hurry up!
Come on. CJ! Si CJ, mga kaibigan, oh.
It's a slow boat. Hurry up!
Don!
Hurry up! I need to go.
Don, bilis, please.
I need to go.
Ikaw ba? Anong dugay man ka?
Slow.
Ay, padugay-dugay dia.
A two.
Nalupigan man ka sa mga babae. Don, get up. Get up on the chair. Sige na, kay sayo mo, sayo. Maaga kayo. Si talo si Don Julio, mga kaibigan, sa mga ano. Saan? No? Okay. Okay, ayaw niya.
CJ,
Ayaw ni CJ.
I need to go to summer camp. Why you making us look at you?
Don't put your, huwag mo ipakita yung butas ng sapatos.
No. I can't see it. Hi. Stop it.
CJ, don't show your butas sapatos.
Mommy. Please stop them.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Let's go now.
Alis na kami, mga kaibigan.
Gio, go.
Okay.
No, Daddy here.
Hmm?
No. Daddy's not here. It's Daddy. Mama, for my present, can I have a headphones so I can hear the TV? Can you buy me a new?
Goy, remember, we have headphones here, each screen. But what happened to the
Headphones? There's no like.
Goy, I think. What happened to the headphone? What did you do? You guys removed the foam, remember? So I don't think we don't need it.
We remove our.
Wala na. Wala na, Goy, okay?
Mommy, my TV's not working again.
Oh, we need gas.
Look, gas, please. Look. Oh, this. TJ, why did your thing take all my gas? I used it. What's this?
Ayan, mga kaibigan, alis na kami. I-drop ko muna si Agoy sa kanyang school. She's early today.
Who's early?
You are early.
I'm early?
Yeah.
For school.
You're gonna be there all day. You're gonna have fun. You're gonna have friends.
My first day is gonna go swimming with Riley.
Oh, you don't need. Make sure you put your all your stuff. Ibalik mo sa bag mo, okay? Everything. Make sure nothing loose.
Okay.
CJ, ready na? Ready na. Ready na si Don Julio. He is very ready. Don Julio is very ready. We'll see if people is here.
This is what.
Ah, okay. I think they're here.
Yay! This is what I'm supposed to be. We're not going to the playground. I'm going to summer camp.
Drop off Caroline.
What? What's this? These cars. Yeah, they're not even safe.
4 minutes, Goy. 4 minutes, then...
Wait, I'm too early.
What is yours? Your race today, I think.
Mama, I know her. That was CJ's friend.
Oh, yeah. That's CJ's friend.
Why is she here? I think she's here for summer camp. Or not.
I don't know.
Or she's here for playground.
Naglinya pa kami dito, mga kaibigan, kay... naglilinya pa kami dito kay drop off. Oh, what?
A car was gonna move.
The car is moving?
That car.
Okay. I'm gonna
Here.
back up.
Mama! Stop. There's a push. Mama. Back. That's it.
That's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Go. Let her go back.
Back, Mom. Back. Back.
Naglilinya pa kami dito, mga kaibigan, sa ano ni Christiana.
There's a car behind us.
Ayan.
It's good we're early. It's good we're early. I thought I'm gonna miss it. I don't want to miss summer camp. It's special. I get to go swimming.
Excited na kagway? Excited na sa goy. O sige, mga kaibigan, kaya naghintay pa kami dito. Dito kasi, drop lang sila ba? So maaga kami, ayan. 2 minutes na lang, goy.
This boat's tight.
Ayan, mayroon na mga tao doon sa likuran. Naglilinya para i-drop yung mga estudyante. So kami din. Kami din dito naghihintay. Sige po, si bye, Goy.
Bye.
Si bye to your friends.
Bye.
Bye, CJ. Si bye. Have a good day.
Bye, Crash. Bye, Crash.
Bye, mga kaibigan. Thank you po.